bringing you one of our most popular products that accomplishes all of the above. It's the Jeep Wrangler Cargo Light. So you're trying to load up after a great day of hitting the trails. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to see what you're doing? Now you can with the Jeep Wrangler Cargo Light from ProMaxx. ProMaxx offers a great line of LED lighting and quality aftermarket accessories for your Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler Cargo Light is one of those products. It will fit Jeep JK models from 2007 to 2017 with the factory hardtop. It's simple to install with no tools required. Simply remove the existing wiper motor cover and replace with the cargo light. And it only takes a single 9-volt battery to operate. Once you put that in, you're good to go. The LED lighting from the Jeep Wrangler Cargo Light provides enhanced illumination of both the rear cargo area as well as behind the vehicle. This allows for not only better tailgating activities, but will also help with trailering functions. Like you, this cargo light works hard, but plays harder. You'll never have to waste time looking for a flashlight again. Now you can be hands-free with your new cargo light. You don't even have to find a button to turn the light on. The motion switch will automatically activate the cargo lighting, but if you like, a manual switch is also available. People say that once they install the ProMaxx Cargo Light, they don't know how they ever lived without it. ProMaxx Automotive offers quality aftermarket accessories at great prices. If you like what you've seen here today and want more, then visit us at ProMaxxAuto.com. For quality, affordability, and functionality, it's ProMaxx.